just a little video to follow on from last week with those couplers that we were on about and the problems we're having with some caused derailments. Well, I've managed to get quite a collection now of these caddies. I've got the 20s, the 19, the 17, and I've even got the uncoupler, which is a magnet which goes underneath the track. I would have had all these fitted, but I've had fun and games, you might say. I decided I was having trouble with these Lafarge tanks. They were doing a bit of derailing, and to be honest, they are the worst you can get. They're so light. The wheels, they're not set in properly, I would say. They soon come out of where they fit in. But I've decided then I would go a bit of track change down where I'll just take the camera down this end where I was getting a lot of my problems. Originally that was my inner track and that one was my outer track. My inner one now I've changed into just another siding. As you can see, I brought it round. The outer track now, we'll say it as my inner track, and I've got a new outer track on there. I've gone further out, I've taken up the space which was the road. All the scenics is to do, of course, yet, so we'll do that in the next few weeks, along with fitting all those couplings, and hopefully all will run good. But as you can see, I've had fun and games. I've ripped quite a bit up. I got the track down and I thought everything was alright, and all of a sudden I had a short, a big short. If you're same as me, you don't know where to start, do you? And I was convinced it was some of my droppers, so I've got about 30 droppers on this from the buzz. I disconnected track in certain areas, I made it so we're all insulated. I did the outer track, the inner track, etc. I still got shorts, then I disconnected nearly all the droppers, and I finished up. It was one of them, I'm pretty certain it was anyway. It's just the one wire, and I'll just show you. But it was a pair of droppers from this one here. They were onto the buzz down below here, and as soon as I touched those onto the buzz again, big short. But anyway, we've got most of it back. I've still got some more wiring to do, some more to put back on. And as I say, it's going to keep me busy now for a couple of weeks, but unfortunately I've got commitment in this next couple of weeks, so I shan't be doing anything. Well, I'll get some done this next week, part of, but then it'll be later on. But I'll just show you these now running round. They're running so smoothly now. I've got a couple of freight trains running the tanks, and I've got the RES vans, so I'll set them going. They look good, these as well, especially that class 60 on the front. 66, sorry. You see now with it being a bit wider there for the curve, it's running nice and smooth. It's really just to show how they're running smooth around that end now. both of them on the same track.